How to fix Snapchat allow camera access not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So is the Snapchat camera not working? Then that must be the camera settings on your Snapchat has not been toggled on. So for that you need to head over to settings and scroll down to the bottom, go to apps, and then on the search bar search for Snapchat, open it up and just toggle on the camera setting. So now your problem might be solved, but if it still hasn't, then come back and then go to general again, go to software update and make sure that the iOS is updated to the latest version. Sometimes not updating the iOS might also cause issues in apps. So if there is update available, just update it. And if it still doesn't work, then try restarting a device by swiping down from the top right and tap on the power button. Sometimes restarting a device also helps you out a lot. So I hope one of the solution is works for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.